Everyone, this is Bowling Thunderstorm Man here, and in today's video we'll be taking a look at this Westinghouse fan. I do believe it is a Westinghouse Jet fan, Jet Plus. There's the Westinghouse logo, metal canopy. Here's the motor. You can see we've got some stickers here. The manufacturing date, not too sure about. You can see there. Yeah, there's some stickers. You can't install it lower than 2.3 meters. Don't particularly care. Blade made out of plywood. It's okay quality. It's got some lights and Levi. It is operated by a controller. So first light, yes, and then off. This one doesn't dim, sadly. So first off on low speed. We've had this fan for 3 years. Speed 2. Oh, there it goes. It's dust. Don't particularly like to use that because the resolution isn't that good when the light is turned on. Now I'll go full tilt. There we go. Yeah, it's not stable. This blows an okay amount of wind, no good breeze. And this fan is reversible. I'll demonstrate that for you right now. This is winter mode for when it gets cold in the winter. You can bring it back to forward now, and I'll turn it off for you so you can get full spin down. Go on, son. This fan is a 42-inch diameter. It's an okay size, blows an okay amount of wind, but I wouldn't have picked it myself, to be honest with you. I wouldn't have chosen it. Right. Spin down with the light on. Okay, now we'll do 0 to full tilt. It's okay, fam. Well, see you later. Have a good day, people. Bye-bye.